Hello, it's Paul, Heyner UK. Today we're going to change wiper blade, front one on the Toyota Aygo. That's Mark II model after 2014. It has only one wiper blade at the front, and it's 26-inch long. Yeah, first we're going to remove all the wiper. To do it, we're going to lift the wiper arm and squeeze that end. That of course depends on the brand you've got on the car right now, and you can release wiper blade. Yeah, please remember to put something to not damage your windscreen. Yeah, now we're gonna fit the Heyner all-season wiper blade. You will need a pinch tab adapter, and additionally with this wiper blade you will get extra rubber. Show you that. So if your wiper got worn, you basically can change the only rubber. So you need to take off the plastic cover and replace on the rubber, only rubber on the wiper blade. You can find a video on YouTube how to do it step by step. So first we're gonna take PT-3 adapter, that's pinch tab, and we will fit it on the wiper arm first. To do it, you see this arrow, you just push a little bit head of the adapter and it's open, it's movable. So we'll lift the wiper arm, starting from here, and you lock adapter. Okay, and now there is a space. Once we lock it, I'll show you. When I unlock the adapter, this plastic is open when it's locked, and here we're gonna fit wiper blade. Look, so the wiper blade, we're gonna lock adapter on the arm. So one click and job done. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.